Hi, my Pisces. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. Hope you guys are doing well and are safe with your family and your loved ones. Pisces, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of June. So, the spread that I am doing today is situation, action, outcome spread, wherein I will be pulling the energy for your current situation or the situation in your recent past, followed by the action that the universe would want you to take or is advising you to take, and the possible outcome for you, followed by overall energy and two oracle messages. As always, guys, just remember that this is a general reading and it might not resonate with all, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's jump into your readings. Like I always do, I had already shuffled the cards for you and laid the cards down for you so that we can save the time, shuffling time. Pisces, predominantly the predominant thought that I was having while I was meditating on your energy was of kind of being at peace. The thought that kept coming to my mind was someone is like being at peace, at peace with the current situation, like whatever it is. It can be a kind of testing times, but like you have kind of accepted the situation whatever it is, and you're kind of trying to sail through, you're kind of trying to keep on moving ahead, just accepting the situation as is and finding your ways out of the current situation. Try to sail through the current situation. So that was the dominant thought that I was having about you guys while meditating. So let's quickly see your cards. So these cards fell out of the deck immediately after shuffling in your current situation energy. So I'll just quickly show you the cards. They are Tower, Eight of Swords, then it was Six of Swords and Six of Wands. Sorry, quite an interesting set of cards, and these were clarified by Strength card. It's a beautiful card. I just love the images of this card, and it had come like this, so I would like to read it as a reversal card for you guys. And Seven of Wands. Okay, so I'll just quickly interpret for you these cards for you guys. Interestingly, there are 6, 7, 8 combinations. So I feel that recent past or the current situation is, like I said, like I was thinking while meditating, it looks like some trying times for some of you. It's not a very easy period for some of you. You are experiencing this tower moment. Something is coming crashing down. So I am really sorry for whoever is going through this situation, but I feel this is related to your work. I see that some of you are in danger of losing your job or have already lost their job. This is the kind of feeling I am having through this. It looks like something that is related to work. It is a work related conflict or some struggle, and that this period has been testing your times. It has been testing your strengths. Like you have been trying your best to stay put in this situation, trying to battle this situation, and you have, like I said, you have actually you are in this helpless energy because of this current situation. The Tower had made you really, really helpless. Your hands are tied, like you can see something bad is happening, but there is very little that you can do about it. But you just don't have, like many times in life there comes situations when we just don't have any choice, but just be and bear the situation. That kind of an energy I can feel. So you have, like I said, you have actually accepted whatever the situation is heads on. Like you are facing this crisis heads on. These are very testing times for you, but you have decided to just face it, and make peace with it, and you have decided to go with the flow, like whatever it is, you are ready to face the situation, and for sure this positive attitude of yours is going to bring success to you. Like there is no doubt for me, doubt in my mind about it. The approach that you have been showing, or the resilience that you have shown in this period, this is going to make you victorious. It is going to make you come out successfully of this testing times. Okay, so after this tower, whatever it has been, the difficult times, it was not strong enough to break your strength. You have decided, you have made up your mind, you have chalked out your strategies, and you are going to be victorious. You are not going to sit and sulk there. The probable the possible action that is suggested by you, suggested to you for by the universe or the spirit guides is, it's very interesting, guys. The first card was the chariot. This is a Cancer energy, another water sign energy. Wait, first I'll read out all the cards to you. The chariot was clarified by Pisces. Sorry, the moon energy. It is again your energy. This is your card, a very dominant card of yours, like the moon. It's a Piscean card. So I am sure you are dealing with a water sign here, most probably, but the energies can be any. Then this is Four of Pentacles. Okay, and it was another card was King of Wands. So let me explain to you the advice, or the possible action that the universe is suggesting. So you are going to, like I said, you are going to take the right steps. The universe is asking you to take right steps, whatever it is required for you. Like if you have lost your job, then of course it's a very very sad situation, but then start looking out for new jobs. It's needless to say, but then don't I know it's very depressing. I'm sure you have been very depressed, or you were feeling depressed and stressed, but the advice is that start taking your baby steps. See all your probabilities, see the plus and minuses of the situation, of whatever it is that is you're contemplating, and start taking your baby steps in that direction. But the advice that I feel, or the message that I am getting here is, just keep your plans to yourself. Move ahead in silence. So let your success speak. Like do not disclose your plans yet to anyone, guys. If you are looking for a job, or if you think like you have given an interview and you're expecting a offer letter, or it has really gone well, and you are it's just a matter of getting that offer letter, do not disclose these things, do not disclose these results until you get that offer letter in your hand. That's the strongest message that I am getting from this combination. So just hold on to yourself, or even if whatever strategy that you are planning on to, whatever baby steps or whatever steps that you are planning to take, just keep those plans to yourself. Try and implement those in silence, and only when you are successful in it, then disclose it to others. Okay, so yeah, work in silence is the message that I am getting, and I'm sure you're going to, this is the King of Wands energy, I'm sure you're going to be back in action with lot of confidence. Whatever strategy or whatever steps that you are planning, you're very sure about those steps, and those steps will be blessed by the universe. You'll see momentum gaining in whatever that you are planning to do, or whatever you are going to do. Okay, so universe definitely has your back, guys. Just work in silence is the advice, and of course the outcome is justice. So I am not surprised to receive this card in the outcome. I did not even clarify this card further. There was no need for clarification, because like I said, you have been quite resilient and confident, and you just faced the situation heads on and took the right action. So definitely you were bound to get success. So whatever it is that you are expecting is going to be fruitful. So if, like I said, if any of you has lost job in this period, then and if you have given that job interview, then please expect that offer letter soon, and it will be a really good one. After this tower movement, there is definitely a new beginning for you guys. You will get what you deserve. You for sure will get what you deserve. For those of you who are in business, and for like if your work is stuck in something, like if you are expecting some property papers or anything related to property, or anything that involves legal matters, paperwork basically, just be assured that it is going to come through. Like the results will be in your favor. You will soon hear communication about that matter, and you'll get what you want. Basically, you're going to be successful in whatever that is that you're working towards. Okay guys, your overall energy is Page of Swords, followed by Page of Cups and Queen of Wands. So guys, probably I feel that you on personal front, if this tower has to do anything with a personal relationship, coming to an end or something, like you walking away from someone, probably that person is now a little regretful, and they are kind of they're feeling, they're repenting of whatever they have done, like whatever sorrow that they have caused you, and for sure they want to mend things with you, and you can expect an apology from them, an unexpected message from them, and I really feel that they are going to come up and say sorry, or give you that, or express that apology that was like very much required. So that is one thing. Also, for a group of you, I think that this goes hand in hand with the paperwork that you are expecting. So if it's like like I said, if you are expecting some if you are expecting the result of your job interview, or if you are expecting that offer later, so be assured that you will get that communication abruptly. You'll for sure get that communication. It will come at a time when you are least expecting, or if you are looking out for a job, you have already applied for jobs, then expect a message from a consultant, or from the recruiters, and they'll offer you this job interview, or they'll give you that opportunity. They'll call you for interview, and probably in all probability you're going to be selected for that job. Okay guys, so overall this is a very good energy. You're back in your passionate self. You're back with a bang, I would say, after a low phase. You're full of passion and ready to face this new phase of life, after this tower moment, with a new zeal, with a new passion. So this is a very positive reading. I know the current situation might not appear like that, but overall it looks like a very positive reading to me. It's how you take it. So let us quickly pull oracle message from this beautiful deck for you. These are too many cards. The spirit guides, guardian angels. Sometimes the cards play really funny. Just give me a minute guys. Sorry guys, I had to stop or pause the video for shuffling. So this card just popped out, and it says bring love into the situation. It's a very very strong positive message that the universe is trying to give. Like, I know the times can be testing, but Try to be gentle with yourself and your loved ones, and be patient is what it is that I'm getting from this. So it's a new moon in Aquarius card. Let me quickly read it out for you. Yeah, sorry for the delay, guys. So the card says Aquarius is all about progress and modernity, so this is the time to move forwards. The new moon in Aquarius card means no looking back. Yeah, like I said, this so goes hand in hand with the tarot reading, that you are moving forward. Change is on its way and it could come quickly. Whether you get the change you want depends both on whether you believe you can have it and how much you are relying on others to bring it to you. This card comes with the suggestion that you may need to do things independently on your own, but be loving, not too pragmatic. Time may be of the essence when this card comes up. Aquarius energy has an electric feel to it. Certainly, there is a sense that you need to let go of the past and move forwards towards your future as soon as possible. Wow, it so resonates with the tarot reading. Attune to the moon, explore the idea that it's not what you know but whom you know. Additional meanings for this card are: you need to be more detached from the situation. Thinking out of the box will bring the solution. More pragmatism is called for. Improve your karma by doing some charitable work. Okay. The teaching is Aquarius is the sign of invention, modern advances, and technology and humanity. Its energy is a little brittle, it's individual, scientific even, and relatively emotionally detached. Many people think Aquarius is a water sign because the Aquarius symbol is the water bearer, but it's actually an air sign and is more about intellect than the emotional water signs. As this card, no matter when you draw it, dropping as is this card, no matter when you draw it, dropping convention works well with this energy. Yeah, your guys, the energy that you have in this reading is lot of air energy. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So probably there is an air a person with air in their charts that you are dealing with, probably. But like I said again, the energies can be anything. Let me quickly. This card has popped right away before shuffling. Tranquility is the card that it suggests. It's again a very, very beautiful card. I love the images of this deck. They are so positive and soothing. The messages: make time to relax, be still, and enjoy your solitude, indulging in much needed self care. A very nice and positive message. So let's quickly read about it. It says this card asks you to take a break from your harried schedule. Soaking or swimming in salty water creates a magical electrical energy shift in your body. The salt draws out emotional and physical toxins. Purchase sea salt from your local health food store's spice section and pour lots of sea salt and fragrant oils into your warm bath water. Be sure to immerse your chest and heart chakra under the water as you soak in the tub in order to release toxic emotions. Burn a white candle near your bathtub. As you look at the flickering light, think about what you want. The white candle light amplifies your thoughts and feelings, so think about your desires and not your fears. Let the salt water wash away any doubts that could block your manifestation. Ask the candle to illuminate your mind with faith and positive expectations. Enjoy this relaxation time and have faith that your prayers have been heard and are being answered. Yeah, so that's a very cute message, very positive message. Those who are going through tough times, the salt water technique is something that really helps, guys. It definitely clears the negativity around you. It helps release the toxins. So do try to implement this suggestion by the universe. It will definitely help you guys. So that's about it. I would like to leave the reading at that, guys. Whoever it is applicable, stay put, be strong, take the required actions. If you like the reading, then please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed already, then subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell so that you are intimated about the next upload that I do. Also, yeah, do let me know your thoughts in the comment box down below. Okay, so I wish you good luck, guys. Stay safe, take care, bye.